Hello, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make this Monstera leaf coaster. And I use this 100% acrylic yarn in a 3.5mm crochet hook. You will need a stitch marker, scissor, and darning needle. Now start by making a slip knot and a chain of 21. Once you have 21 chain, single crochet second chain from the hook, then I place a stitch marker in my first stitch in this single crochet, and then half double crochet in the next stitch or in the next chain, then chain of 3, slip stitch in the next chain here, then slip stitch in the next 3, another 3 and 4 slip stitch, then chain 5, pull up a loop, then count the 4 slip stitch, 4, and then count 3. Then you place your hook here and grab this loop inside, single crochet in this into the space, half double crochet, double crochet, 1, 2, then half double crochet and single crochet, then pull this stitch on the right and slip stitch in this chain. Okay, so 1 and 2. Then slip stitch under on this stitch here, then slip stitch in the next 3, chain 8, pull up a loop, count 4 slip stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then count 6, 1, 2, 6. Okay, so place your hook here, so 4 slip stitch and then count 6, 3, 4, 5, 6. Insert this loop inside, then single crochet, half double crochet, 1, 2, double crochet, 1, 2, 3, half double crochet 1, 2, then single crochet, then pull to the right, then slip stitch on this 3 chain, slip stitch under, then slip stitch in the next 3 chain, chain of 11, then pull up a loop, count the 4 slip stitch, 1 2 3 4, and then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, insert in the 9th stitch, single crochet into the space, inside the space, half double crochet, 1, 2, 3, double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, half double crochet, 1, 2, and 3, single crochet, then pull this stitch to the right and slip stitch in these 4 chains, slip stitch under, and then slip stitch in the next 3, then chain of 12, pull up a loop, count 4, then count 10 stitch, single crochet, half double crochet, 2, 3, 4, double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, half double crochet of 1, 2, 3 and 4, pull to the right and single crochet, then slip stitch in these next 4 chains. Slip stitch under, then slip stitch in the remaining 5 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn and slip stitch second chain from the hook. So slip stitch 1, 2, 3, 4 and slip stitch in the another 4 slip stitch in the stitches. Then chain of 2 and treble crochet 8 treble crochet in the following 8 stitches. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 treble crochet, and then double crochet in the following 8 stitches. Then half double crochet in the following 14 stitches. Then single crochet in the next 3, then chain of 3, slip stitch second chain from the hook, so slip stitch 2 at the back of the chain, so 1, 2, slip stitch, slip stitch under, okay, so now we are here at the beginning of the like we did on this at the start. Remember the single crochet, the first single crochet, so remove the stitch marker and repeat the same pattern like we did at the start. So single crochet, half double crochet in the next stitch, then chain of 3, then slip stitch in the next 4. Normally you will see this row here, and then do a chain of 5, pull up a loop, count 4 slip stitch and count 3 stitch, insert, then repeat single crochet, half double crochet of 2, half double crochet, single crochet, then slip stitch in these 2 chain, then slip stitch on under, slip stitch in the next 3, then chain of 8, pull up a loop, count 4 slip stitch and count 6 stitch, and continue doing in the following. Okay, so once done with the last, you slip stitch under and turn your work. So we do the slip stitch on the last, and slip stitch under, then turn and slip stitch in the next, going back. So slip stitch 1, 2, 3, then chain of 2, then treble crochet in the following 8 stitches, double crochet in the following 8, half double crochet in the following 14 stitches, then single crochet in the next 3. Okay, then just do a slip stitch going to the top 3 stitch, then make a chain and cut the yarn.